Hello everyone, hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to the tutorials. Today we'll be looking at a coin that you can buy that can turn your $10 to 50 USDT in the next 24 hours. So all you just need to do is to stay tuned. If this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do it to subscribe, like my videos, and as well share my videos so that the content can go viral and a lot of people can invest in this in order to make a huge profit. So all you just need to do is to make sure you have a verified Bybit account. If you do not have any, I will drop a link at the descriptive sections of this very video so that you can use to sign up. All right. So all you just need to do is to quickly come up here. Quickly come up here. If you come to your channel, you're gonna going to look for this sign called loser. You're gonna going to navigate yourself to loser, which is here. All right. You're going to click on losers here. If you click on loser there, we'll see what exactly is going on there. So let's quickly go to loser and click on it. Meanwhile, make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end. Make sure you also understand the videos, okay? So that you will not do anything ignorantly. So coming to this place, you can see that a lot of coins have been down here for like a while. It's been a while like those coins move higher. So all you just need to do is going to go into check which one has this highest negativities. Let me quickly dive into the duo, which is the first one. Dive into the duo, which is the first one. Let's see what exactly is going on there. So click on duo now to check how dual has been doing. Wow, dual has been doing very poor in the past days, but it has shown a sign of going very much higher in this day. So you can see how far it has been going down from where it has been going down. Let's check out it's 184 hours. You can see dual has declined from 0.004 in the past few hours, and it's currently written here. The price is currently here 0.003, right? So let's go back to it one day, how far it has been doing or how good it has been doing. So grape has been doing well and in the past days. Let me check when was this. Wow, this was already on the word. Okay, let me check this. This was already on the 14th. Its 1 day movement has been okay, doing very great. It dropped actually from all these 6.0.01. Let's see how much it was launched. It was launched at 0.03. Wow, that's nice. So duo was launched at 0.03 and currently is trading between 0.035 to 0.031. Okay, so you can just study this market and you can see if it is a right coin for you to dive in, because as it is now the minus is okay. The minus is much, the negativity is much. It has been declining for like a while and it's showing a sign of taking a high movement. So it is also a good coin. There is an opportunity here like right now in the market, which is why we are looking at the losers. So we'll be looking at the next one, which is there's something we still need to check here again. What we need to check here is it's 24 hours turnover. What's the 24 hours turnover of this coin is 686.32 thousands USD, which is a very good one. It shows that it is going to have a very big potential in the nearest time. So let's look at the second coin in line, which is BTC, right? BTC also is a good coin, but it's not advisable. Do not invest in it now because it has been declining for a very long time. But declining for a very long time does not mean that it will keep going down. It means that it might be gaining its momentum in the nearest time. Okay, so all you just need to do is to invest and be patient. So this is a market opportunity. In this place, you can just make a huge profit before you know it. Okay, so let's say you buy this one now, which is dual. Let's say you buy dual with 50 USD, you get 1000, you get 15644.55. Okay, 15644.55, and you want to sell it when this goes to 39. You see, you have made $10 instantly. Okay, not even 10, it's 11 USDT instantly. What if it goes more than that? You can double your money immediately. So all you just need to do is to make your own research as well and dive into this to make a profit. So thank you so much, and stay tuned. Drop any question if you have any questions, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.